Have you ever left a concert or a loud event with ringing in your ears, wondering what lasting effect that sound had? Our ability to hear is truly precious, but it is also remarkably delicate. Loud noises can begin to damage your hearing at 85 decibels, which is roughly the sound level of heavy city traffic or a noisy restaurant. This damage is not immediate at 85 decibels, but it is cumulative, especially with prolonged exposure. Think of it like a daily dose of sound. The core mechanism behind noise-induced hearing loss involves the tiny hair cells within your inner ear. These delicate cells are responsible for converting sound vibrations into electrical signals that your brain interprets as sound. When exposed to excessive sound energy, these hair cells can become overstimulated, fatigued, and eventually damaged or even destroyed. Unlike some other cells in the body, these auditory hair cells do not regenerate, meaning the damage is often permanent. To protect your hearing, it is crucial to understand two key factors: how loud the sound is measured in decibels, and how long you are exposed to it. For example, sounds at 100 decibels, like a loud motorcycle or power tools, can cause damage in just 15 minutes. Even louder sounds, such as a rock concert at 105 decibels, can cause harm in as little as 5 minutes. You can take proactive steps, such as using earplugs or earmuffs when exposed to loud environments, maintaining a safe distance from noise sources, and regularly lowering the volume on your personal audio devices. This concept is often referred to as your noise dose. The louder the sound, the shorter the safe exposure time. Conversely, the quieter the sound, the longer you can safely be exposed. Many people are unaware that prolonged exposure to sounds at 70 decibels, like a vacuum cleaner, can also contribute to gradual hearing loss over many years, although the risk is much lower than from very loud noises. Paying attention to your ears can make a big difference. Understanding the relationship between sound intensity and exposure empowers you to make informed choices about your hearing health. By recognizing hazardous noise levels and actively employing protective measures, you can significantly reduce your risk of noise-induced hearing loss and preserve your ability to experience the world's sounds clearly for many years to come. Your ears will thank you for being proactive.